What's going on, guys? Thank you so much for tuning in. Today we're doing a quick and easy install on the Toyota Tacoma. We got some upgraded fog lights finally, and I'm super excited for these. We got these from Cali Raised LED, and I'll show you guys in just a second what we got. But as always, if you're new to this channel, my name is Philip, and we bought this Toyota Tacoma off auction, wrecked, and we fully rebuilt it, got it restored, and now we are slowly upgrading it and making it a nice off-road camping build. And if you guys are interested in checking out that series, I'll have that in the link below, as well as anything that I install on this truck. But let's show you what we got. So it started raining, but I already took out one of the fog lights. I was just trying to see what's the best way to take it out, and I actually have quite a few options to take this out. I didn't even need to take this cover off right here. I could have just got underneath my fender liner since I cut that when doing the lift on the truck and the wheels. So really easy. I'll show you guys how to get the other one out, but this is kind of a before right here, and I'll show you which ones we got. So we got these beautiful LED fog lights from Cali Raised LED, and these are awesome. They're definitely cheaper than what your popular seller would have. These are half the price of that, and they look really nice. I'm really excited to put these on. They feel real nice. They have this aluminum cover around it, and they are just a plug and play, should install right into the same spot. Very straightforward, really easy to install, and it's gonna make the truck look a lot better. Let's do this. Okay, so I did a pretty bad job cutting my fender liner when I cut my bumper. So this is all gonna get fixed later, or I'm gonna get a new bumper. But the way I get into my fog light is I would just literally move this to the side and unscrew it, because the fog light is right here. As you can see, I have a huge gap right here too. That's from the old bumper that we still need to fix, and that's a problem for another day. I guess in your guys' case, you would just remove the fender liner or try to go from the hood. But my fog light is only held on by one screw. I don't know why. Doesn't seem right to me, but we'll go ahead and unscrew that right now. And that's it. Then we're just gonna plug in the other one into here. And just like that, we're done. Super easy. Obviously your install might be a little bit more different than mine. My truck's a little jacked up in the front. We will be working on getting a new bumper. It's been through a lot already, so we'll probably move forward. But what do you guys think? I think for half the price, these look awesome. I really like how they look. I would maybe get rid of the LED bar and put it on the roof and try to get one that matches a little bit better with the yellow. But for now, we're gonna keep it as is like this. I think this looks great, and they're super bright too. Really nice. I'm really happy with these. Let's do a little montage of the truck, how it looks now. We got a lot of things on this truck now, and I don't know, maybe it's time to move on and get a different truck, but we'll see. I'm pretty happy with this thing for now. Thank you so much for watching, guys. As always, link in the description for anything that I post in the video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. We got a lot more things coming, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a good one.